Let's take a look at the migration of EBS volumes. EBS volumes are, as we have seen, linked to one availability zone and only one. To migrate a volume to another availability zone or even to another region, you must create a snapshot of that volume. Copy this volume to another region or availability zone. Create a volume from the copied snapshot in the destination area, so that you can recreate a volume from this snapshot. Let's see how this is demonstrated in the console. Back in the console, we will go back to EC2. Then we will go and look in our snapshots. We will have several options on our snapshot, which is here. We can create a volume from our snapshot. We will keep the initial options, so a GP2 at 2 GB. Still with the same IOPS options. Now what we can do is, from our snapshot, move our volume to another availability zone. We will say 3C, for example. Of course, we can have the default options, encryption, sizes, and so on. We will create our volume. If we go back to our volumes here, we can see that our volume is being created. It's available. It's based on a snapshot. Corresponding to one of our previously created volumes. It's a very short, very simple module, so you can migrate volumes from one area to another or from one region to another quite easily.